Fixing of this iron stuffs on the hem of your trouser is one of the things that most people always want to do. So all you need to do is to make sure you create a space like 5 inches, 6 inches, depending on the customer's choice. Then you bring the iron stuff, this will be sold in the market, then place it at the edge this way. And then please note that when you are pressing this, press from the back. You have to press from the back. If you will notice that you will see a dot here. You will see a dot here. This dot is where you place your screwdriver or iron or scissors or whatever you're using to press down this. Make sure it's properly placed down. Then you press it down at both ends. Press at both ends. Then see press here. So see press here. Press the tip of this, please. Compress it very well. Compress this very well. Compress it very well so that it can last. You don't need to just keep it simple. Do you get ahead? Or keep it light. So press it. So when you clip it very well, it will be hard to go out. So this is what you have. So this will be hard to go off. Do you get ahead? So once it's been pressed that way, so use the same method and fix the other one. So it's as simple as that. It's as simple as that. So press till the very end. So make sure you press all of this. Press it very well. Don't press from the front, press from the back. So that it will be hard to go out. Press it very well from the back. This is how it goes from the back. Do you get? So this is it. Now this is what you have. This is what you have. So you go ahead and fix the other legs as well. So in fixing of this your buckle and this edge fancy design, this is how you go about it. So fix the other leg as well, the same process. Place in this form, and then you press it down all through. Press it down all through. Press it down all through. So you have to do this patiently. Patiently, you will do this. You can't be in a haste. You can't be in a haste while doing this. You press it all through. So this is the second leg. So see, fix them. Most people think fixing this is a rocket science. It's not. It's something that you can do. You get. Just learn how to press this. Press all through. Press all through. Press all through. Press all through. This is how it is. Press. So we are done fixing the both legs. Then this is what it looks like. So the same way you fix it on the legs is how you also fix it on the what's it called, the top as well. So you gently do this. So this is how it is. Thanks for watching.